Welcome viewers. Today we'll be talking about circle in isometry. Now, in both isometric view or isometric projections, the circle will look like an ellipse. You should remember the circle in isometric view and projection looks like an ellipse. To draw that circle, we have a method called force-centered method. Let us see how this force-centered method will work. It's a very easy method. Now, let us draw a fine line, the baseline, and have a reference point. Then draw 30 degree, 30 degree. This is my 30 degree. This is also 30 degree. Now I'll make a square of isometric view which is with actual length of 40 mm. These are two 40 mm. Now I'll take it then I will draw. So it is my 40 mm isometric view, like there's a square which we have drawn with actual length. Now the bigger diagonal I will join with fine line, and then I will decide the midpoint of the two sides and join it with the opposite corner, I repeat. Now in force-centered method you have 4 points where your sharp edge of the compass will sit and draw the diagram. You have 4 points, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the very minutely, you have to take the radius like this and draw the curve. Similarly to this side, I'll take the radius like this. There can be minute drawing error. Similarly, I'll take the radius like this or the bigger and then draw. Again, I'll take the radius from here and then put our point here and draw the. So somehow this is the process wherein this is R1, R2, R3, R4. This R1, R2, R3, R4 are the 4 centers wherein you need to put your sharp edge of the compass and then draw the diagram, right? This is how it will look like. So I have taken the dimension as of 40 mm as the basic dimension. Okay, so I hope this will be easy for you, and wherein you put R2 and take the radius of this is R and then draw, and from here if you are taking, you have to take the radius of this length, correct? If you are drawing from here, you have to take the radius of this length. This is R again, right? And then draw it. Okay, so this method is called as 4 center, that is R1, R2, R3 and R4. 4 center, that's why it is named as. So if you see, I have inscribed a circle in an 4 by 4 40 by mm by 40 mm square, but it looks like an ellipse. It looks like an ellipse, right? Yes, so it looks like an ellipse. So this is what an circle in isometry is all about.